What is air pressure? Objective. Explain what causes air pressure and how it is measured. Key terms. Air pressure. Pressure caused by the force exerted by Earth's atmosphere. Barometer. Instrument used to measure air pressure. Bernoulli's principle. As the speed of a fluid increases, its pressure decreases. Air pressure. Earth's atmosphere is made up of a mixture of gases. This mixture is called air. Air molecules are in constant motion and are pulled towards Earth's center by gravity. The force of all these moving air molecules causes air pressure. Most of the air in Earth's atmosphere is concentrated near Earth's surface. So air pressure is greatest near Earth's surface and decreases as altitude increases. 1. Infer. How does air pressure at the top of a mountain compare with the air pressure at sea level? Measuring air pressure. Air pressure is measured with an instrument called a barometer. Figure 1226 shows how a barometer works. The open container and a glass tube contain mercury, a very heavy liquid. The space above the mercury in the tube is a vacuum. As air presses down on the surface of the mercury in the container, the air pressure holds the column of mercury in the glass tube. The greater the air pressure, the higher the mercury will rise in the tube. Normal air pressure at sea level will support a column of mercury 760 millimeters high in the glass tube. Air pressure decreases with altitude. So, if you carried the barometer up a mountain, the level of the mercury in the tube would move down. 2. Identify. What does a barometer measure? Bernoulli's principle. Air, moving or still, exerts pressure on the Earth's surface. Bernoulli's principle tells us that the moving air exerts less pressure than still air. As the speed of a gas or liquid increases, the pressure it exerts decreases. You can try a simple experiment to show this principle. Hold a sheet of paper in front of you, like you are going to read from it. Place your fingers about 2 inches from the bottom. Let the top of the paper fall away from you. Blow straight ahead over the highest point of the paper. The sheet of paper will rise. This shows that the air pressure above the paper has decreased. As you blow, the pressure is lower on top of the paper than below it. The high pressure below pushes the paper up. 3. Define. What is Bernoulli's principle? Air pressure and wing shape. Airplane wings are designed to make use of Bernoulli's principle. Look at the shape of the wing in figure 1227. Notice that the top of the wing is more curved than the bottom. As the airplane moves through the air, the shape of the wing causes air pressure on top of the wing to be reduced. So the pressure of the air pushing up on the wing is greater than the pressure of the air pushing down. This unbalanced force, called lift, helps push the wing up. 4. Identify. What force pushes up on an airplane wing? Flight. 4 first forces act on an airplane in flight. Figure 1228 shows a view of an airplane. The arrows show the direction of the 4 forces. The weight of the airplane is due to gravity. This force pulls the plane toward the ground. The upward force on the bottom of the airplane's wing is called lift. This force pushes the wings up. In normal flight, the lift is equal to the weight of the airplane. The forward force on the plane is called thrust. The plane's engine provides the force, or thrust, needed to move the plane forward. The flow of air over the wings is a form of air resistance. This frictional force is called drag. Drag slows the airplane down. Too much drag causes the plane to use too much fuel. Engineers design planes that will reduce drag. The process of reducing drag is called streamlining. 5. Identify what is the forward force a plane needs in order to fly. Checking concepts. 1. Air pressure is caused by the force of moving blank. 2. A barometer measures blank. 3. Air pressure blanks as altitude increases. 4. As the speed of a fluid increases, the pressure it exerts blank. 5. The force that tends to slow a moving airplane is called blank. Thinking critically. 6. Hypothesize. A plane flying into a strong wind feels more drag than in calm air. Explain. 7. Hypothesize. When a plane is landing, the flaps under the wings are used to give the plane more drag. Why is this necessary?